I'm Ferdinando Citarella. I start my career in Burgo in 2003 as a logistic specialist, and today my role is Logistic and Transport Director. Burgo Group is an industrial holding company active in production and sales of paper, graphic paper, specialty paper, container board, and also energy. We have 11 plants, 10 in Italy and 1 in Belgium, 14 production lines, and we are active all over the world. We have 3,300 employees, and paper is our history, our core business, and our future. So when you have to manage 1.8 million of tons from 11 plants and with 10 second level warehouse, you need digitalization. So we start a research on the market about software for it, and we decide to start our adventure with Transporeon. We started our journey with Transporeon in 2008. Then, in 2009, we implemented the module Transport Allocation that gave us the possibility to simplify the flow of information with our carrier. In 2010, we decided to adopt the time slot management for outbound. Then, 2016, the same module for inbound for pulp and chemicals product. Then, 1 year ago, we adopt sixfold in order to track and trace our deliveries. And finally, 2 months ago, we adopt Inside to check the cost of transport for different lanes. For sure, we had a big benefit on standardization of flow of information. But if we talk about KPIs, one important thing has been the reduction of waiting time at our mills. The truck at the beginning waited more or less 1.5 hours, and now the waiting time is only 30 minutes. So we decided to adopt with the Transporeon transport visibility, because with one software we can trace every delivery that we have in place. So with Transporeon you can follow the deliveries one by one, and we hope that all our transport company adopt this module in order to have possibility to trace 100% of our delivery. On the market, you can find some tools that give the cost for ocean freight, but nothing related to truck transport. So I discovered with Transporeon that with the module Inside, you have possibility to understand which is the price that you have on the market for different lanes. What is really interesting that you can choose the lanes in which you are interested. So I decided 2 months ago to start with this module. Pandemic have had a lot of impact and pressure on logistics and supply chain at the global level. Our plant during the pandemic never stopped. So we have had a lot of pressure on our logistics, and has been really useful for me to use sixfold in order to check the time for crossing border from different countries. For sure, sustainability is really important for Burgo. We try to use as much as possible modality that reduce the CO2 emission. For example, we use combined transport between truck and vessel, like Ro-Ro. So we require to our forwarder to give us the footprint in order to highlight to us the CO2 emission saved.
I
I believe that the next step could be transport carbon visibility. For the moment, I just ask to Transporeon to continue this journey with Burgo with the implementation of different modules, nothing more.